Let's see first question of GATE 2025 session 2. Despite his initial hesitation, Rahman's blank to contribute to the success of the project never wavered. Select the most appropriate option to complete the above sentence. So Rahman's some nouns would come there. First is ambivalence. So ambivalence means what? Uncertainty or mixed feeling. And here Rahman's ambivalence, it should not be there. Okay, this is what? Uncertainty. Rahman's uncertainty to contribute to the success of the project. No, this is not fine. Next, satisfaction. Satisfaction means his contentment. So Rahman's satisfaction. No. Next is resolve. Resolve means what? Determination. And see here, Rahman's determination or resolve to contribute to the success of the project never wavered. So this should be resolve. This will be the correct option. Revolve means rotate. This is not possible here. Okay, so resolve will be its correct answer. Next option is bird, nest, bee and hive. So bird lives in nest and bees lives in hive. So this is its place. This question P e to the power x equal to q e to the power minus x. So from here we have to find out the value of p and q. So what will be its relation? From here we can see p equal to q e to the power minus 2x, and you need to just equate the value. If you first option we put p equal to 0, q equal to 0, then in this case this will satisfy. Second option p equal to 1, q equal to 1, then in that case this will be 1 equal to e to the power minus 2x. This is not satisfying. Third option p equal to 1, q equal to minus 1, then this will be 1 equal to minus 1 e to the power minus 2x. This is also not satisfying. Fourth option p by q equal to 0. So p by q equal to e to the power minus 2x. This 0 equal to e to the power minus 2 is not satisfying. So correct option will be answer A. Let's see question number 4. The paper as shown in the figure is folded to make a cube where each square corresponds to a particular face of the cube. Which one of the following options correctly represents the cube? Note the figures shown as representatives. So from this figure now I have to make a cube. Let us consider this a paper, and we have to fold this paper and make one cube. So see, for this triangle upside and downside will always be this circle. So this is not correct. Upside or downside or adjacent should always be. And see, for this triangle, this dark triangle will never be any adjacent side. So this is also wrong, this is also wrong. And for this triangle, plain triangle, upside is one, upside or downside or any adjacent side, this will be dark circle. So this dark circle is there. But see here, there is no dark circle or plain circle. At least one circle should be its adjacent side. Two adjacent sides has been given, but nowhere here it's shown. Okay, so A option will be correct. Question number 5. Let P1 and P2 denote two arbitrary prime numbers. Which one of the following statements is correct for all values of P1 and P2? See, first option, P1 plus P2 is not a prime number. So P1 is 3, P2 is 5. So P1 plus P2 is 8. Okay, it's correct. So P1 3, P2 equal to 2. 2 is also prime number. So P1 plus P2 is 5. 5 is prime. So this option is wrong. Actually, let's see, this option will always be correct. P1, P2, this is the product of two numbers. The product of two numbers can can be, how can it be its prime number? And p1 plus p2 plus p1. So this is wrong, no? See, 5 plus 1, 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1, 6. And product plus 1 is a prime number. Where this one is given, this will be prime number. Just multiply any two prime numbers. Mm, 2 into 7 plus 1, 15. Is 15 a prime number? No. So this is also wrong. Correct option will be option B. Question number 6. Based only on the conversation below, identify the logically correct inference. Even if I had known that you were in the hospital, I would not have gone there to see you, Ramya told Josephine. So, even if I had known, that means she does not know. She did not know. Ramya knew? No. Ramya did not know that Josephine was in hospital. This should be, but see next option. Ramya and Josephine were once close friends, but not they are not now. But now they are not. Nothing has been told about this. Josephine was in the hospital due to an injury of her leg. Injury to her leg. This is also not given. So correct option will be option B. Ramya did not know that Josephine was in hospital. Question number 7. See, image and field are coded at. So image is coded as F, H, B, and J, and field is coded as E, M, F, J, G. Which one of among which one among the given options is the most appropriate code of the beach? So for beach we have to find out the code. So see here, E to F, G to H, A to B, A to N, and I to J, like this. D to E, L to M, E to F, I to J, F to G. So for H, I, C to D, A to B, E to F, B to C, I, D, B, F, C. I, D, B, F, C, option number 3. See question number 8. Which one of the following options is correct for the given data in the table? So for iteration 0, 1, 2, 3, input I, output X, output Y has been given. We have to find out the relation, correct relation. So see, just eliminate by option. First option, see here, what is here given? Xi minus 1. I just take x2, x1. X1 is what? 16. And x0 is what? 20. And I, I1 is, see, I1 is what? Minus 4. So for this option, it is satisfying, no? X0 plus I1, this will be 16. And for by 1, by 0, I1. By 0 is what? By 1 is what? Minus 80. And by 0 is 20. And I1 is minus 4, minus 80. This is satisfying here also. So this is satisfying. Just see next option B. First part plus, no? So it can't satisfy. Just remove this one. Next part, this can't also satisfy. If plus is satisfying, then how can product satisfy? And see this one, I minus 1. Will it satisfy? Just see by 1 equal to by 0, I0. Just see by 0. By 1 is what? Minus 80. And by 0 is what? 20. And I0 is what? 20. 20 into 20 equal to minus 80? No. So option A is correct. In the given figure, PQRS is a square of side 2 centimeter. So PQRS is a square of side 2 centimeter and PLMN is a rectangle. The corner L of the rectangle is on the side QR. Side MN of the rectangle passes through the corner S of the square. What is the area of the rectangle PLMN? Okay. So just let's consider its size is a square side is 2. All sides are 2. Okay. Let's consider this angle alpha. This angle alpha. So this angle will be 90 degree minus alpha. So from here we can find out the side PL length. So sin alpha will be PQ by PL. So from here PL will be what? PQ is 2 by sin alpha, that means 2 cosec alpha, and Pn. For Pn what will we find out? Cos 90 minus alpha B by H Pn by Ps. So from here Pn will be Ps is 2 sec alpha. Cos 90 minus alpha is sin alpha, sorry, not sec alpha. 2 sin alpha, no? Cos 90 minus alpha is sin alpha. So what will be the area of rectangle? PLMN PL into Pn. PL is 2 cosec alpha and Pn is 2 sin alpha. So cosec sin reciprocal, so its area will be 4. So correct option is option D. Let's see question number 10. The diagram below shows a river system consisting of 7 segments marked P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V. It splits the land into 5 zones marked as Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4, and Z5. We need to connect these zones using the least number of bridges. Out of the following options, which one of the correct? So here see 5 zones are given, and what? There are 7 segments P, Q, R, S, T, U, B. Connecting 7 segments marks P, Q, R, S, T, U, B. It splits the land into 5 zones. We need to connect these zones using the least number of bridges. Out of the following options, which one is the correct? So we have to make bridge and we have to connect all zones using least number of bridges. So see, if we make one bridge on P, then zone 1 and zone 2 will be connected. So P, and just see if by using P we can do. And for we have to connect all the zones. So with P, we should use Q also to connect zone 3, PQ, and for zone 3 we have to connect zone 5 also, so T, but zone 4 is left, so PQT, and again we will have to take S. By S you can connect or not. Zone 4 can't be connected using S, so this is not complete. Next option PQST, this is also not correct because PQS is again connecting for zone 5, but we have to connect zone 4. Option C QRT and V. For Q, this one, both zones will be connected. And by R these two zones will be connected. By T these two zones will be connected, and by B these two zones. So all zones are connected here. QRT. We have to ask the minimum number of bridges. So in option D there are 5 bridges, but in option C there are 4 number of bridges only. So option C will be correct. Let's see question number 11. If A, this matrix has been given A equal to 1 to 2 minus 1, then which one of the following is A to the power 8? That means we have to multiply A matrix 8 times to itself. So A is 1 to 2 minus 1. Just see what is a square. 1 2 2 minus 1 1 2 2 minus 1. First row first column this will be 1 plus 4. First row second column this will be 2 minus 2. Second row first column this will be 2 minus 2. Second row second column will be 4 plus 1 5 0 0 5. See, this is diagonal. What? Identity matrix also, no? Not identity, diagonal matrix. Yeah. So diagonal matrix, if you multiply itself, no? See, if I consider b equal to 5050, if you multiply this one, b square 5005, sorry, 05, what will be its value? First row first column 25, first row second column 0, second row first column 0, second row second column 25. So see here, its diagonal element will be only squared. So if a equal to a square equal to 5005, a 4 will be 25025, and a 8 will be just is a square 6250 625. So correct option will be 6250 625. Let's see question number 12. The value of x such that x is greater than 1, satisfying the equation 1 to x. This is definite integration of t ln t dt equal to 1 by 4. Here we have to find out the value of x. So I will solve this one using integration by part. So integration by part, how it is used? This is used by differentiation by part, like that, no? So partial differentiation we use. So its formula will be u dv like this, ub minus integration of b du. Okay, so I will consider one function here u. Its integration stuff, no, for ln t. So I will take u equal to ln t and dv will be equal to t dt, left side. See, ln t equal to u and dv equal to t dt. So from here b will be what? Both side integration t square by 2. So u equal to ln t and b equal to t square by 2. So I have to find out this value now. So right side will be what? U ln t and b is t square by 2. ub minus integration. I will later calculate the value after putting its limit 1 and x. b is what? T square by 2 and du. U equal to ln t, so du will be 1 by t. So this will be 1 by t dt. So this will be ln t, t square by 2 minus half, and t dt inside. So t dt, its integration will be t square by 2 again. So take common t square by 2 ln t minus half. Okay, this is the value of integration. Now I have to put its limit x and 1. So for x, its value will be what? X square by 2 ln x minus half, and then subtract for 1. Put 1 by 2. Ln 1 is 0, so 0 minus half. So you can calculate, this will be minus half. Okay, just solve. X square by 2 ln x minus x square by 4, this one multiplied, and this will be plus 4, 1 by 4. it will be no minus minus plus. Okay, now this is equal to 1 by 4, so I have to equate x square by 2, what is there, ln x minus x square by 4 plus 1 by 4, and according to question this will be equal to 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 cancel, this will be x square by 2 ln x equal to x square by 4, or you can take here common x square, don't write like this, x square by 2 ln x minus half equal to 0. So from here we can find out the value. So 0 is not value of x, so you can remove this one, so ln x equal to half. So from here x will be e to the power half, that means under root e. So under root e will be correct answer, e, a option. 0 is also answer, but 0 is not given here. But 0 you can't find out now for ln x. 0 can't be its answer because ln 0 it is not possible. For its range this will not be equal to 0. Okay, let's see question number 13. Consider a binary tree in which every node has either 0 or 2 children. Let n is greater than 0 be the number of nodes in T. Which one of the following is the number of nodes in T that have exactly 2 children? So a binary node in which either 0 or 2 children, each node has either 0 or 2 children. So see any binary node, any binary tree, okay. So see how many 0 children node are here. 0 children 1, 2, 3, and 1 children node 2 children, no? 2 children, 2 children node are there, TC, okay, 1, 2, 2. So from here na, or any tree you can relate here like this, 0 children will always be greater than 1 by 2 children, and n is the total number of node. Okay, so n is what, 0 children plus 2 children, so we have to find out 2 children value. So 2 children will be n minus 0 children. What is the value of 0 children here? N minus 2 children plus 1. Just solve this one. 2 children will just come on this side, so this will be n minus 1, so 2 children will be n minus 1 by 2, B option. Let's see this question number 14. Let L, M and N be non-singular matrices of order 3 satisfying the equations L square equal to L inverse, M equal to L8 and N equal to L square. Which one of the following is the value of determinant of M minus N? So L square equal to N inverse, just multiply both sides by L, so L cube will be L or I na, see L inverse into L, this will be identity matrix. So L cube into L cube, this will be I into L cube, and if L6 and again L square, this will be L cube into L square. So this is L to the power 8 L8 and L square is L minus 1 L cube, and here L minus 1, so this will be L square. So L8 and L square both are equal, and here we have to find out the value of M minus N. So M is what, L8 or and N is L square, both are equal, so its difference will be what, 0. So correct option will be answer A. Let's say this question number 15. Let Px be an arbitrary predicate over the domain of natural numbers. Which one of the following statement is true? So P of 0 intersection for all of x px tends to P of x plus 1 to for all of x px. So actually this is true here. P of 0 is here base case. Okay, and from px to px plus 1, and this is forward what induction. So base case is also satisfying, and inductive step is also satisfying here for all the cases. This is inductive step. So here conclusion will be what? P of x will be true for all of x. Second case, see why it is not true. This is because this is reverse induction. So if P of 0 we take, and then it will what happen? This will not be true. This will not be true for all of the x is greater than 0. Okay, so this is false, and this is base case is 1000, and this is also reverse induction, but reverse induction. So in this case what will happen? From 1000 x is greater than what? X is less than 1000 or equal to, this will be correct, but when x is greater than 1000 then this won't be correct. And this one, see, from 1000 base case is 1000. So from 1000, if x is greater than or equal to 1000, then this will be correct, but if x is less than 1000, then this won't be correct. So correct option is answer A, option A. See next question number 16. Consider the following statements. Address resolution protocol ARP provides a mapping from an IP address to the corresponding hardware link layer address. So that means physical address. So from IP address to physical address, this is true. Next option, a single TCP segment from a sender S to receiver R cannot carry both data from S to R and acknowledgement for a segment from R to S. Actually, this is false, because in case of piggybacking, what happened here? TCP uses piggybacking to send and receive and acknowledge together in the same segment, and acknowledgement to send data and acknowledgement. Together in same segment. Okay, so here sending of data and acknowledgement both are what done in the same segment. So if a sender is sends the data to R, and R also has to send back to R, and R can include the acknowledgement for a segment along with its own data. Okay, so this is false. In a single TCP segment, the sender is to receiver R, this should be not, can carry both data from S to R and acknowledgement from segment from R to S. So first option is only correct. So which one will be correct answer? 1 is true and 2 is false. B option. See question number 17. Consider the following protocols given in list 1 and the names given in list 2. So distance vector routing, link state routing, and Bellman-Ford and Dijkstra. So distance vector routing is Bellman-Ford. Okay, so this is correct, and link state routing is Dijkstra. So what happens in distance vector routing? Uh, for example, RIP, routing information protocol, is based on the Bellman-Ford algorithm, which calculates the shortest path by iteratively updating distance vectors. So distance vector routing will be Bellman-Ford, and link state routing, in this what happens in link state routing like OSPF, and distance vector like RIP. So in the case of open source, shortest path is based on Dijkstra algorithm, which compute the shortest path from a source node to all other nodes in a graph using more global view of the network. Okay, so link state routing will be Dijkstra and distance vector routing will be Bellman-Ford. So in case of Bellman-Ford, it will iteratively update distance vector. Iteratively update the distance vector. But in case of link state routing, it computes shortest path from source node to all other nodes in the graph. Okay, so which will be correct option? 1 to A, 2 to B. So A option is correct, no? Yes. Let's see question number 18. A machine receives an IPv4 datagram. The protocol field of the IPv4 header has the protocol number of a protocol X. So this is the protocol name, and IPv4 header has the protocol number. So each protocol has a protocol number. So which one of the following is not a possible candidate for X? So which protocol is not present in IPv4 header? This question is asking. Okay. So see first one, ICMP. ICMP, what? Internet Control Message Protocol. So this is present inside IPv4 header, and its protocol number is 1. And ICMP is used for what? Error reporting and diagnostic functions. For error reporting and for error reporting and for diagnostic functions. And in this diagnostic functions, what functions will come? Ping or destination unreachable message, like that. Destination message. So this is present. Next is IGMP. So IGMP is what? Internet Group Management Protocol. So this is also present inside IPv4 header, and its protocol number is 2. And it is used for managing multicast group membership. Used for managing multicast group membership. Sorry. Multicast group membership. Okay. And next one is OSPF. So OSPF is used for, so this is also possible, and its protocol number is 89. And this is link state routing protocol used for intra-domain routing. So this is link state routing protocol, and this is used for routing. Okay, you know. And next is intra-domain routing, RIP, routing information protocol, not a possible candidate, this one actually. So what does RIP do? RIP does not use a dedicated protocol number. So this does not have any protocol number, no protocol number. So actually RIP runs over UDP, no? So user datagram protocol, which is protocol number 17. So IPv4 header protocol will contain 17 UDP. Okay, in UDP format it will contain, but for RIP, RIP will not, see, RIP will not contain directly in IPv4 datagram. So in the But in the form of UDP it can contain. So this one for UDP, its protocol number will be 17.